Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Please take a seat.
Thank you, sir.
Your name is Gundrathi.
Sai Goutham, sir.
Sai Goutham. Okay, Gundrathi is your
Sir, family.
Okay. Please introduce yourself. Tell us something about yourself.
Yes, sir. So, I am Sai Goutham. I was born and brought up in Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh.
Yeah.
And after completion of my schooling in Tirupati itself, till 12th, after that I have joined IIT Kharagpur for dual degree program in the Department of Mechanical Engineering. There I completed MTech with thermal science also, and after that I started preparation for engineering services, sir, passing out in 2023 May.
Okay.
So I have given one attempt last year. This is my second attempt appearing for the interview, and in between I got an opportunity to work in Indian Oil Corporation.
So you've taken up a job there.
Yes, sir.
Good.
That's
good,
all.
good. I'll make one suggestion.
Yes.
You lean back
Okay.
as much as you can, and you put your hands comfortably in your lap.
Okay.
In your lap, put it like this, and use it to express yourself.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Also, when I'm asking question, you are actually answering to the entire board. Okay. So please maintain eye contact with everybody as naturally and comfortably as you want.
Okay, sir.
Okay. The more comfortable you are, the more you will enjoy the process of interview. Okay. Right. Great, sir. Please begin.
Gautam,
Sai Goutham.
just tell me what was your BTech project?
Sir, my project is on implementation of immersed boundary methods in CFD problems, sir.
Your, I suppose, mechanical. Achha, achha.
Yes, sir. Yes.
What was that?
Sir, implementation of immersed boundary method in CFD problems, sir. It is a finite difference based technique.
I will not know that. Okay, what is your present job?
Sir, presently I am full-time preparing for engineering services.
You left IOC.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Chalo. So, आप करो technical.
Okay. So, Saif, tell me, recently there has been a lot of news about E20.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So, why this E20 is not, or say, good for our vehicles?
Sir, E20 is a blending of 20% ethanol by volume in petrol. So, majorly the concern from people are some decrease in mileage, and also E20 being corrosive is one of the other issues people are.
Okay, so people are saying.
Yes, sir. Yes.
But you are MTech
Yes,
from
sir, yes,
IIT Kharagpur, IIT Kanpur, right?
Kharagpur. Sir.
Okay. So, what are your thoughts? Why this is corrosive?
Sir, mainly because I read somewhere that ethanol absorbs water in it.
Okay.
So wherever there is water, it might cause corrosion.
But how?
Secondly,
how is the water absorbed in the engine when the like cap is on a vehicle which has all like tank is there which is capped properly? How does it absorb water?
Not sure exactly, but when there are some joints and all, so there might be some seepage of moisture.
Is there any like leakage, or is there any joint which is available in the system? Do you think so? Being a mechanical engineer, would you design a vehicle which has?
So maybe in the fuel tank itself, where there might be some opening or joint, some air will be there through which some moisture will be present in air that may get absorbed into ethanol. So which might and
Okay. What is the significance of Reynolds number?
Sir, it is a non-dimensional number through which we can judge whether the fluid is of a laminar nature or turbulent nature. So it is the inertial force upon the viscous force.
Okay. What is the viscous force?
Sir, it is due to the internal resistance of relative motion between the layers of fluid.
Between the layers. Okay. So let's say fluid is moving in a laminar fashion.
Yes.
Would the viscous force be more or less?
Sir, it will be more, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So let's say viscous force will be more and Reynolds force will be less. Let's say fluid is moving at high speed.
Okay.
It will have more of like kinetic energy, you can say. So would that fluid be behaving, or would that be moving in a laminar fashion, or the chances of it are more of a turbulent?
Sir, just for clarification, the fluid has both more kinetic energy and...
Fluid is same. Let's say water is there.
Okay, okay.
So water has water is used in two conditions. At one it is having high velocity, at one it is having low velocity.
Yes. So in high velocity condition, it is more susceptible to being turbulent, sir.
Turbulent. So you said Reynolds number, we say that it is inertia versus viscous.
Yes.
So if the inertia is more, Reynolds number will be
Less.
Reynolds
Sorry,
number
sorry.
will be less.
More.
Okay. Tell me, how do we measure the speed of let's say high speed trains?
Sir.
A train, when we
Yes,
say
yes,
no, it is moving at 400 kilometers per
Yes,
hour.
yes.
How do we measure that speed?
Sir, the current technology I don't know, but we can use a pitot tube.
So,
Sorry. No idea, sir. No idea.
no idea. Can you take a guess? How do we measure speed in a car?
Sir, maybe through a pitot tube kind of.
Do you have any? Do you have a bike?
No, sir. No.
So how does your bike measures at what speed it is moving?
Let me help him, sir. RPM. Now
Yes,
think.
sir. That we can measure through tack.
RPM is a suggestion. Not I am not asking RPM.
Sir, the RPM of wheel we can measure. So through that we can establish a relation between its speed.
Okay. Tell me, what are the different assumptions we have in Bernoulli's equation?
Yes, sir. So firstly, we assume the fluid to be inviscid, sir. We neglect the viscous forces, and the fluid is incompressible. Inviscid, incompressible, and no body forces. Only gravity is the body force.
Gravity is the body force. How does the kinetic component comes? Okay. How is Bernoulli different from steady flow energy equation?
So while applying steady flow energy equation, we need not assume the fluid to be incompressible, sir. The density can change. Whereas in Bernoulli equation, the density is constant as we assume, and it is only Bernoulli is the conservation of mechanical energy, the kinetic and potential, and the head potential. And whereas steady flow energy equation is total energy balance. It includes the internal energy component also.
So in Bernoulli we see three components.
Yes.
What are those?
Sir, the kinetic energy head and the potential and pressure, sir, static pressure.
Where does the pressure head come from? What is the mechanical energy which corresponds to pressure?
Sir, at a molecular level, it is the collisions on a surface.
But is Bernoulli equation applied on molecular levels?
No, no, sir.
So, okay. So let's go to some other topic. What are your favorite subjects?
Sir, I like theory of machines and yeah, refrigeration I like,
Okay.
and strength of materials.
Okay. So while deciding the refrigeration, let's say air conditioning of a large system, what are the different components you take into account?
Sir, firstly, the amount of heating load within the system, and based on that we decide the capacity of
What are the different heating loads that you have?
sir, the people within it, and based on their activity we can,
Okay.
yes sir. And if there are any windows, then the heat in solar insulation,
Okay.
and the convection heat loss through the walls,
Okay.
and
How about the lights?
lights and whatever the machinery are running inside, these all we can.
Okay. What is vapor pressure?
Sir, so sir, vapor pressure for a pure substance is the pressure exerted by its vapor on its surface in phase equilibrium, sir.
Okay. So let's say I have water
Yes.
that is kept at 30 degrees centigrade. What will be the vapor pressure of this?
Sir, corresponding to 30 degrees centigrade, the saturation pressure which we obtain from steam tables would be the vapor pressure.
Okay. Can you tell me what is the best cross section that we can have which can resist the torsion?
Sir, torsion, sir, I don't know if it's the best, but torsion we have I have studied for circular cross section only, sir.
Can't you have torsion for other cross sections?
Sir, the we may have, but the torsion equation is developed for circular.
Okay. What is the significance of moment of inertia in bending?
Sir, more the moment of inertia, lesser will be the bending stress induced. So it tells about the distribution of area, how far it is from the neutral axis.
What is neutral axis?
Sir, while a beam or any component gets bent, so there will be a neutral surface which doesn't undergo any longitudinal strain. So intersection of that neutral surface with the cross section gives a line, that is neutral axis.
And how is it different from centroid?
Sir, centroid is for a cross section. A centroid is a point, right, sir?
Okay. They both are same always?
Or
they pass through the same axis?
sir, they need not be same if the
Where they can be different?
so if the beam is composed of two different materials, then
Okay. So,
Sai Gautam,
yes,
you're fond of cricket, right?
yes, sir.
Do you watch cricket?
Sir, I used to watch very avidly, but lately I'm not watching that much.
Why? Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli?
I personally like Dhoni, sir, and after Dhoni got retired, I'm enjoying the sport as it is, but not having any favorite players as of now.
There was a test match today.
Yes, sir.
Who won that test match?
Sir, India won.
Okay, India won. You come from Andhra.
Yes, sir.
There is a stadium in your state.
Yes, sir. In Visakhapatnam, we have a
Couple of days back, if I'm not mistaken, on Sunday, there was a match over there,
yes,
international match.
yes. Sir, the Women's World Cup match, India versus Australia match took place there.
Who won that?
Sir, Australia won.
Did you follow?
Yes, sir. I followed it.
Who is captain of Indian cricket team?
Sir, Harmanpreet Kaur.
Who was the highest scorer from India?
Sir, from India it was Smriti Mandana.
What is the length of a cricket pitch?
Sir, it is 22 yards. It comes out to be nearly 20-21 meters.
22 yards, that is perfectly right.
Yes.
It comes out to be?
20 meters, I think.
See, I am interested in calculation. How it will come out to be meters? I don't want the value. How you will calculate? If I have asked you, if we get the calculator, we can get any answer. How you will calculate? I am interested in that process.
Without knowing anything
No,
else.
22 yards, I know. What would be the exact answer in terms of meters?
So we have only calculator.
No, you tell me the calculations.
Sir wants to know
Yes, sir.
the length of the pitch in meters.
Okay.
So can you quickly calculate and tell him?
Sir, how the yard exactly converts into meter we should know.
That's what I'm
Do
asking.
it. So do it.
You are an engineer.
Okay.
Tell me, I'll do the calculation.
Sir, 1 meter equals to 22 upon 20.7.
That's, you have mugged up. Tell me how to convert 22 yards into meters.
Sir, if you know the conversion,
That's what I want to know. The
sir, the
conversion.
factor I don't remember.
Okay, you don't know.
Yes.
Fine. You use a scale of 15 centimeter
Yes.
during childhood.
Yes.
It is how many inches?
15 upon 2.54.
What is 2.54?
Don't have to go into all that.
Yes.
The scale, how long was 15 centimeter? Just measure it on your hand. How long was this 15 centimeter?
So should I show?
Yeah, please. Yes,
Sir,
yes.
just as much
Yeah,
this pen.
you can pick up the pen. Yes.
Was it this much?
Yes, sir, approximately this much.
Fine. How many inches it would be?
Sir, 6 or 7.
Yes.
6 or 7
Yes.
inches.
You have a 1 foot scale.
Yes.
You used to have a 1 foot
30
ruler.
centimeters. Sir.
1 foot ruler. How long? Why are you taking so long? It's a common sense question. 1 foot ruler was 12 inches, was 30 centimeters. Ada.
You are a mechanical engineer who deals with cubic feet, m cube, that is cubic meter.
Yes.
This should be on your tips. See, I am a person who is no more interested in calculation. I am a person who is interested in
Estimation.
process, estimation process.
Yes.
Fine. There is a ball, cricket ball. Why that ball swings?
So the cricket ball has a stitching over it, sir, which is called the seam. It protrudes out of the spherical shape of it. So the new ball, which is shiny on both sides, is swung because of the orientation that the bowler bowls, and with the use of it, the fielding team will try to make one side shinier and one side rougher. So the rougher side experiences more drag and tends to swing in the air because of differential drag on both sides.
If there is a shine on one side
Yes.
and there is a rougher on other side, on which way it would go, towards the shiny side or towards the rougher side?
Sir, in normal swing, it goes towards the shiny side, sir.
And which principle of physics is being used?
Sir, Newton's second law.
No.
There is a net force experienced by the ball through the air, so it moves in the. So
The force is being thrown in the vertical direction or in the one axis, but it is going into another. The bowler is not throwing like this. He's pitching it straight. Fine. Another last question. While traveling on a circular road, we experience a force on our body. It is centrifugal force or centripetal force?
Sir, we experience the centrifugal force, but actually the centripetal force is the real one. If we see, we are in the inertial or non-inertial frame which is accelerating, so we experience the centrifugal force.
So, which is pseudo force?
So centrifugal is the pseudo force, centripetal is the one maintaining the circular motion.
And centrifugal is acting outward or inward?
Sir, outward.
And centripetal is acting?
Inward.
Perfect. Good. Sir.
Okay, since you have done thermal science and all that, and naturally you'll be knowing everything about the thermodynamics and right?
Yes.
Somebody comes to me and says, sir, I have achieved in my lab somewhere in Sweden the absolute zero, 0 degree K, which is in centigrade, how much Celsius?
So minus 273.15.
0.15. Great. What will you say to him?
Sir, according to third law of thermodynamics, it is impossible to achieve 0 Kelvin
Why?
in finite number of steps.
Why? The law must be based on some premise.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So while I agree with you, I ask you why? Why should it be?
Sir, say if we have achieved it, then there will be insulating it at 0 Kelvin is
That's another problem.
Yes.
That's another problem. You can't measure it because anything which any thermometer will only impart it energy.
Yes, yes.
But my point is different.
Okay.
Why is it impossible from the thermodynamics thing? The law will not say, okay, measuring it is a problem, therefore it is impossible.
Yes.
The law will say that there is a certain fundamental reason. So what is that reason?
Sir, I think it is somewhere related to the entropy.
Obviously.
So,
So what?
sir, entropy of universe always increases.
Agreed.
So, not sure exactly, but
But then entropy at 10 degrees K is more than 8 degrees K,
yes,
is more than 1 degree K, but you can bring it down to 1 K, isn't it?
Yes.
Theoretically.
yes, sir.
So,
Sir, but 0 Kelvin is something. If you see the expression of entropy, it is the
theoretically, the correct answer is theoretically at the atomic level and subatomic level, if there is zero energy, 0 K means all subatomic orbits, everything comes to zero,
rest.
complete rest.
So it collapses the atom itself.
बात की बात है, it is impossible.
Yes,
How can atoms not have the electrons not have an orbit?
Yes.
That is the reason. Okay, don't get confused between these. Okay, I'm putting an end to the interview here.
Yes.
You need to brush up on your knowledge. That is one. But brushing up on the conceptual side is more important. You are not catching the hint in the question.
Yes.
Right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
You see, you are from IIT Kharagpur. The bar is already high. The expectations are high. So the questions which will be asked of you are naturally going to be slightly more difficult, keeping in with your CV,
Yes.
right? So please do not get mixed up in your common sense questions and conceptual questions.
Okay, sir.
All right. Ideally, take a little time. Ask the member, sir, may I take a few seconds to think, and then focus on the question. What is the trick? Like 3-4 times that you have got
Yes, sir.
a little this thing. I mean, conversion of inch to centimeter is, you don't have to remember all this. This we used to do as kids, isn't it? So, abhi, this is all I'll say. Brush up conceptually.
Okay.
How you do it? When is your interview?
So 14th of November.
Lots of time. Start from the basics and brush up this, all that, and DAF also. Please brush up. Anything you have.
So, all. So, Saif, 2-3 points. One is, sir has already told you the technical part.
Yes, sir.
So, you have to keep it in mind that you are MTech, that too from IIT, and you also have work ex of around 2 years. So, that should...
no work experience. So it was only for 3 months.
Don't worry.
Okay. So, not 2 years, so 3 months, okay. So, you already have work ex.
Yes.
Still, it would be counted as a work ex. So, things related to your work experience plus thermal.
Yes.
Thermal part is very important. When I was asking you about the loads, a lot of things were missing.
Yes.
Okay? Then you are into thermals. So, fluid mechanics and all these things are all related.
Okay.
So, there might be a lot of questions.
Okay.
Laminar, turbulent, everything it has to be on your tips. Understood?
Okay.
So, that is one more thing. While you were mentioning the project, you mentioned it twice. Sir asked you once, you told something, sir again had to ask.
Yes, sir.
Even I could not understand what your project is. So, you have done a project. Projects are always kept with very fancy names. So, people keep it so that it looks fancy. But somebody who's sitting over here, he might not be from your field.
Okay.
So, project has to be always told what was the main intention,
Okay.
what I wanted to develop,
Okay.
and what I have done.
So
It should always be. It should
not just the title.
Not just the title. I don't have to do anything with the title. What was the aim of the project?
Okay.
That should be more important.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And while answering the question, sir has already told you, you should understand what is being asked. And then you reach up to that level.
Okay.
When I asked you Bernoulli equation, you got confused. Ki, I know the pressure term and the potential head. Both are same.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So you got confused.
Yes, sir.
So you have not actually thought about it while studying ki where is pressure coming and where is the potential head coming. So while questions like this, no, you have to be very careful. Sir has already told you, wait for 5 seconds and then answer it.
Okay.
So that you frame the answer properly. Okay. What I tried is to catch hold of you in those concepts only. Okay. So it is very important that you focus on that. You have very good technical knowledge. Bookish knowledge is good. But when I go slightly deviate from bookish, it is like it is not visible that if you have thought of anything practical.
Yes.
So you have to think in that way.
Okay.
Okay. So that is all. But we feel that you have a lot of potential. You can do much better.
Yes.
Okay. And you have to study your technical. Thermal part you have to study a lot.
Currently, I'm more focusing on the production area, sir. So it's been so long since I have brushed up
It's
thermal.
okay, but
Brush it up fast.
that only happens because since your MTech is
Yes,
from
sir. Yes.
thermal, you should know thermal. The rest, if you don't know, it's okay.
Okay, sir.
But at least thermal you should know.
Okay.
Thermal, your thesis.
Thesis, thermal, and current issues which are going.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
All right.
So we'll share your
Take
feedback.
care.
Thank you,
and,
sir.
Thank
Thank
you.